Imagine needing help in Fortnite and getting it not from a human, but from a talking AI built inside the game. That's the future Epic Games is testing right now. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to place for all the tech and gaming updates. Epic Games has quietly rolled out a new AI-powered customer support chatbot, now available for just 1% of English-speaking users on its player support site. This update was confirmed by the official Fortnite status account on X, and after limited testing, this upgrade will be streamlined for the game's massive player base. While Epic hasn't shared exact details of what the bot can do, it's designed to assist players with support questions, like anything from technical difficulties to account issues. This makes it another step in Epic's evolving relationship with AI. Earlier this year, Fortnite toyed with generative AI during its Star Wars event, including a shockingly accurate AI-driven Darth Vader. Now, with the introduction of chat and increase in player bans for abusive behavior, AI may also play a growing role in moderation and safety. The chatbot trial just came before Fortnite's beloved Fortnitemares Halloween event, with rumors swirling about spooky crossovers from Jason Voorhees to Scooby-Doo and even K-pop demon hunters. Player engagement is about to skyrocket, making this a smart time for Epic to test AI support under pressure. But Epic Games isn't the only one with this genius idea, because Microsoft also launched its own Xbox AI support bot last year. But as AI continues to make its way into the gaming world, from chatbots to character creation, fans remain divided. Some embrace the efficiency, others fear the loss of human touch in the art of gaming. So, which side are you choosing? Comment down below, hit that like button, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update.